Hey guys, Ron here from Rockville, and today we're going to be unboxing Rockville's RVD17HD 17-inch flip-down car monitor. Here we go. Should slide right out. Seems to be packaged really well. They put the foam inserts here on the sides to prevent any damage to the corners of the unit. Here you have your owner's manual, your game disc, the included remote, controller, and here's the main unit. Let's slide these foam inserts out of the way. What I like is that they covered the unit in plastic as well. That should prevent any scratches or dents. We will be inspecting for those momentarily. Here on the back you have your RCA outputs. Here are your USB and SD inputs. And here's your DVD slot. It's a nice looking unit. It's a really massive size screen. This would be perfect for a truck or SUV. All right guys, you just saw me unbox the Rockville RVD17HD flip-down car monitor. To get your hands on your own, just click the links below.